This is a lot of work.
Do you want me to squeeze those for you? I'm good at squeezing lemons.
Are you?
Yeah. Oh, I'm really good at squeezing them. Hey everyone, guess what? We're gonna do some sloppy tie-dye.
It's gonna get weird.
How so?
Well, why don't you tell them?
Okay, fine. Today we're not using just any kind of dye. Today we're using...
No, we can't be regular.
No.
Okay? We want to make tie-dye for those people who, like, just are sitting on the couch and are like, you know what would make this moment better right now? A tie-dye shirt.
Tie-dyed shirt.
So, we're using stuff that you probably have in your refrigerator.
In your own refrigerator, like this one, right here. Here's your refrigerator. Look, all this stuff. Look at all that stuff. All that stuff. But this is really what we're using right here. We've already opened everything up. This is the stuff. This is fresh squeezed lemons. We got blueberries, coffee, pickle juice, and what was that one?
Tomato sauce mixed with water.
Tomato sauce mixed with water. A diluted tomato sauce. So I have my shirt here. Jessica has her tank there. We're gonna take these delicious household items that are all nutritious and delicious. Don't eat them all at the same time. I mean, you can. I wouldn't suggest it though. And then we're gonna get cracking.
Hold it up. Like
You're doing a straight up.
this, and then I'm gonna put some rubber bands on it.
Oh. Okay, where am I gonna put these blueberries? Oh God, oh God, oh God.
Oh, God.
Oh God. This is just. Oh Lord. That's beautiful.
Here we go.
This is magical.
Here we go.
This is magical.
It looks like someone peed on my shirt. Okay.
Oh
we're
my
gonna
God.
pour it.
I like the idea of somebody peeing on your shirt, so I'm.
Oh, what is this gelatinous mixture on the top? Like,
That was your choice.
that was my choice.
Mine looks like a sausage that you buy, or like a brisket.
Well, you know, can't go wrong with a good sausage.
I'm sorry, what was that?
Can't go wrong with a good sausage.
Ooh, you heard it here, folks.
Next. And how about the end?
Ooh, yeah, get that brown up in
Get-
there.
Go into Browntown. Oh, okay, so now we've got pee and shit on it.
Oh my God. There we go.
The coffee is warm and it feels weird.
The coffee's warm. Crazy how coffee does that.
Did you stir this?
Oh no. What? What is this stirring?
I'm just gonna use this straight from the bottle.
Cheating! Cheating! Oh, that is cheating. Oh, I want that.
Let's see what other ones I have. I think I have a whole thing of them right.
Well, now you're really cheating.
Let's see. Which one is open? Oh, yeah. That's much better. What do we do now?
Well, we have to let them go dry, so we need to go lay them somewhere. And then once they're done with that...
Do they dry twisted up like this? Or you like lay them out?
No, you leave them like this.
Leave them like this.
We're gonna leave them like this, and we're gonna go put them in the sun. So, lemon
So
juice.
this is not like an instant gratification thing. We have to wait.
So sorry. So
Yours looks better than mine.
What? What do you mean?
Like mine really looks like somebody just like pooped on it, peed on it, threw up on it.
And then had their period.
I wasn't gonna say that one, but yes.
Stay tuned for the result.
Hey,
Hey, that
it
kind of...
looks tie-dye.
Is that a good thing or a bad thing?
It smells like coffee,
I wonder why.
but yeah, it's not so bad.
Oh my God. Look at that.
Yours looks more pastel.
Why didn't you use the fake red colors, did I?
Look.
All mine are natural except for that blue that...
Yeah, it definitely needs to be washed because my hands are sticky.
Really? Your food-covered shirt got your hand sticky? That's crazy. That's beautiful. Like an angel
The back
pissed and
looks
bled.
better.
Is that the back or the front?
This is the front. The back looks better.
It looks like a classic tie-dye almost, yeah. That's been a little tie-dye fest. If you enjoyed this, what else would you like to see? Any ideas, suggestions? If you don't, then we'll come up with something even crazier.